since Rosh Hashanah is coming up, we're going to make an apple and honey board. And because I'm a beekeeper and I love bees, we are going to do it with a bee symbol burned into the board. And so I started out with my Cricut machine and just found a nice bee image that I really liked and printed it or had it cut out on my Cricut machine. Then I put on, I weeded it and then put on the transfer tape here. And then I'm going to transfer that to a board that I bought at a discount store. Then after I removed the transfer tape, then I found on Amazon something called a scorch pen, where instead of using a hot poker thing for wood burning, I found this scorch pen, and this is my first time using it, and so you know, it's a little bit tricky. So I'm going to use the scorch pen, and I'm just going to basically color in my stencil of the bee. And I did learn you don't want to get this too thick. I did it probably a little bit too thick, but yeah, you just go in, and then when you've got it all done, then go ahead and peel off the stencil, and then you're about ready to finish it up. It's actually a very easy process, just takes a little bit of time. And then I'm using my my heat gun, I guess is what it's called, that I use for embossing and those kinds of things, and this just works really easily, and it didn't take very long. And you see how where I use the scorch pen, it darkens it up just like it would with wood burning. And so there's the bee on the board. And here we are getting ready for Rosh Hashanah with our apples and honey and on the new bee board. So I hope you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Shana Tova.